So last class we have seen the derivation of mirror formula. All of you should go through different board papers. And today I am going to discuss about magnification and what are the different equations for magnification. This is a linear magnification. So you can see that some images are enlarged image, magnified image, some are diminished image. So we use the term magnification, that's called linear magnification, to represent them. It is defined as the ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object. So linear magnification is defined as the height of the image to the height of the object. So image height we are representing by A dash B dash, and object's height we are representing it as AB. So many diagrams we have seen that. So magnification letter is represented by small m, that is equal to A dash B dash divided by AB. Question number 1. But last class we are saying from the pairs of triangle while deriving the mirror formula, we have seen an equation for AB upon A dash B dash. We have considered object and image triangles with C. So we are recalling that pairs of triangle and we are taking that equation. But AB divided by A dash B dash equal to C divided by C B dash. Question number 2. We have seen this equation in the derivation of mirror formula. First pair of triangle, object and image triangle with C. So ratio their vertical sides, AB divided by A dash B dash equal to this is the relating the object distance upon image distance. C stands for object, C stands for image. So just invert this. Therefore, by A dash B dash divided by AB equal to C dash divided by C. Question number 3. Look at equation 1 and 2. So ratio of the heights of the image and the object is related to their object and image distance. So from equation 1 and 3, we conclude that we can match m equal to A dash B dash divided by AB, that is equal to C dash divided by C. So you have to recognize this equation. M equal to A dash B dash upon AB, that is equal to CB dash divided by CB. So there are 3 cases: concave real image, concave virtual image, convex virtual image. What will happen to this equation? So we have to remember the last equation, M equal to A dash B dash divided by AB equal to CB dash divided by CB. Write this equation 5 times in the copy just now. M equal to, magnification M is equal to A dash B dash, that is the height of the image divided by height of the object AB equal to CB dash, distance of the image upon distance. So case 1, concave real image. Concave real image. Object is here AB. Object height is marked vertically up. So plus h1, the height is marked as h1. Image is inverted. A dash B dash is the image that is inverted. The height of the image is present downward. I am writing this h2, that is marked as minus h2.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay. And here you have to write PB dash upon equation is not CP dash, decimal is not PB dash divided by PB. That is the second pair of triangles. You will change the equation not CP dash PB dash divided by PB, a second pair of triangles. Not from CP. Measurement should be from PB dash divided by PB. So this is P. Object is always on left side. So object distance is minus. For real image, that is also on left side for minus B. So substitute its values in the equation. M equal to A dash B dash is inverted minus H divided by AB is plus H equal to PB dash minus B, PB is minus H. So this is equal to M equal to next line. And we are writing on the left side. M equal to H2 by H1 minus B by this negative sign shows that it makes real and inverted. And if you want to connect multiplication with B by 2 and minus sign is equal to B by 2. So M equal to minus B by 2 equals M equal to minus B by 2. This is the equation for magnification for a mirror, and this equation is same in all the cases. We can go for case 2, concave virtual image. What will be the equation? Case 2, concave virtual image. Case 2, concave virtual image. And we'll see what will be the final equation. Virtual image is formed here. And as behind. So the height is measured toward upwards between plus h2. H2 is the height of the image. H1 is the height of the object. Equation is in front of you. This is the main equation. M equal to A dash B dash upon AB equal to PB dash divided by PB. Not CB dash upon CB dash upon. Okay. Now what is the equation for M? Magnification is M. What is A dash B dash? Dash B dash is measured upward and is plus. AB is also measured upward, that is plus H1. PB dash is measured toward right side, so it will be plus P. Is plus P. And object distance PB is measured toward left side minus. Again, we are getting the equation. M is relating to B by U is equal to minus B by. So whether we are using real image or virtual image, equation for magnification is M is equal to minus B by U. And when you substitute numerical values, you have to substitute with what? Sign convention. Signs are, you have to give the sign conventions as per the sign convention we have already seen. The numerical value with the sign to be introduced in all these equations. So case 2, concave virtual image, again M is equal to minus B by U. And one more case we discuss convex. Convex produces virtual image, diminished image. And see what equations we are under. So case 3, convex virtual image. Convex virtual image. Case 3, convex virtual image. Diminished image you are getting, A dash B dash is the diminished. Virtual diminished image behind the mirror. Again, equation is M equal to A dash B dash upon A equal to B dash by PB. How to remember this equation? I'll be asking on the way. So we have substitute A dash B dash again it is vertically up. Virtual image plus sign, direct image plus sign. H1 always plus H1. It's always up. Right side PB dash is to our right side plus B. Object is to our left side, that is minus. So relate between M and B and U. It is equal to M is equal to minus B by U. So for a mirror, magnification equation is M is equal to minus V by U, whether it is a real image, virtual image, concave mirror, or convex mirror. And while substituting numerical value, we are substituting the sign. Okay, Joey John, tell me what is the equation of magnification in the case of mirror in terms of object distance and image distance.
Sir, magnification, linear magnification is equal to image distance upon object distance.
Equal in terms of U and V with the sign M equal to minus V upon U.
Minus V upon.
Minus V upon U irrespective of any case. Okay? Yes. And now I am going to give some example. You have to recognize which kind of mirror, what kind of magnification exists. Okay? Yes. If magnification is positive, that means that it is a virtual image. Magnification positive means the image is virtual. Magnification negative, that means image is real image. So while substitute the values, if we get M positive, it's a virtual image. If we get M negative, that's a real image. Okay? Question number 1. What does M equal to minus 1 signify? What does M equal to minus 1 signify? Name the type of the mirror and give the condition for that. Name the type of the mirror and condition. Which condition it will be said? Surbi. Surbi, can you hear me? What does M equal to minus 1 signify?
Magnificent and real.
Can you speak loudly because there is no caller mic in the system and I am not getting a sound.
Magnificent and real.
Magnification?
And real image.
Okay, it is real image. Okay, minus sign stands for real image. And what is the meaning of 1? You have to remember the equation, a magnification equal to A dash B dash upon AB. Means size of the image upon size of the object. So that point also you should keep in mind that point. So what is the meaning of minus sign means that it is a real image, means it is inverted image. What does 1 mean? Anyone?
Same size.
So,
1 signifies that size of the image is equals to size of the object.
Okay. 1 means that size of the image is equal to size of the object. In what condition this is possible? And in which mirror? Anyone?
Concave mirror.
Concave mirror.
Okay, this is possible in the case of concave mirror when the object is at C.
Okay.
So for this, what you have to learn, you should know the image formation in the case of concave mirror, plane mirror, convex mirror thoroughly. All the point you should know. So 1 means minus sign means it's a real image. 1 means the size of the image. 1 indicates that size of image is equal to size of the object. And minus sign signifies that it's a real image. Real inverted image size is same size of that of the object is formed only in 1 case, in the case of a concave mirror. Possible in the case of concave mirror. For concave mirror, when the object is at C. When the object is at C. These are all 1 mark type question. Numerical number 2. What does M equal to plus 1 signify? Is it possible? Numerical number 2. What does m equal to plus 1 signify? Is it possible or not? Abbar Patira. You give your answer. M equal plus 1. What you are getting idea, you tell me. Plus sign means? Abbar, can you hear me? Lakshya Malik.
Sir, m equals to plus 1. In this, plus signifies that the image is virtual and
Okay,
1
very good.
signifies of same size.
Okay. And which is it possible? If it is possible, in which case?
Convex. Convex. Convex.
No, no. Convex it is not.
Oh, sorry.
No.
Sorry.
Other things are correct. Anyone?
Concave, sorry, sir.
Sir, plain
Concave,
mirror.
concave, sorry, sir.
Concave is also not possible.
Plain mirror.
Sir, plain mirror. Plain mirror.
Okay, this is possible in plane mirror only. Actually, answer is partially correct. So that is why I am emphasizing. Mean you should know the image formation, all the cases, plane mirror, concave mirror, all 6 cases, and convex mirror exactly. Then only you can answer this thing. So m equal to plus 1. Plus stands for virtual image. Virtual means erect image. Then you have to say 1. 1 stands for size of the image is equal to size of the object. So this condition is possible. That means virtual erect image and size is same that of the object is possible only in the case of plane mirror, irrespective of the position of the object, wherever the object is, no problem. Okay. Yes. Next, my question is m greater than plus possible if it is possible when and which case? I will ask particular person. Okay. So Afsan Sayyid, get ready. I have questions for you. Numerical number 3 is m greater than plus 1 possible? If possible, when? Afshan Sayyid. I think today your volume is okay. Audio. Are you giving the response? Not working. Okay, okay, no problem, no problem. Okay. Jaswin Jose, can you tell me? Is m greater than plus 1 possible? Jaswin
Yes,
Jose,
sir.
is it possible?
Yes, sir. Possible. Possible.
Okay. What does it mean? Greater than plus 1. What is the meaning of that?
Greater than plus 1 means the image is virtual, erect, and is larger than the object.
Magnified. Okay. Yes. Is it possible? If it is possible, in which case?
Concave.
Concave mirror, it is possible.
When the object is between focus and pole.
Okay. Very fine. Good. Fine answer. So you should know the exact where will be the location of the object and the image form. M greater than plus 1 is possible. Plus 1 greater than plus 1 means virtual erect magnified image is formed. This is possible only in the case of concave mirror when the object is between pole and focus. Okay, next my question is going to Shreyans Vijay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
the question is, I'm changing the inequality sign in the same numerical. Is m less than plus 1 possible or not? If it is possible, where? These are our 1 mark question. It appeared in the question paper. That's why I'm giving emphasis on this. Is m less than plus 1 possible? If it is possible, which case? And mention the type of the mirror. Yes. Continue.
Yes, sir. Possible in concave mirror.
No. First you recognize what is the meaning of less than plus one.
So diminished image.
It is a diminished image. Less than means a diminished image. And plus का मतलब क्या है? What is the meaning of plus?
Sir, it is a real image.
हैं?
Real image, sir.
नहीं, plus का मतलब real image नहीं है. Plus का मतलब virtual image. Erect image or virtual. It's virtual image. Practice करो, you have to practice. Okay, you attend the class daily. Okay, so can anyone? Speak loudly.
Convex mirror.
It is?
Convex mirror.
Okay, it is possible in convex mirror. Why?
The image
Loudly.
is-
So always
the image
diminished
form is always
and
diminished.
virtually.
Okay, convex mirror forms always virtual, erect, and diminished image. So m less than plus one means plus is virtual image, less than one means it is a diminished image. This is possible only in the case of convex mirror, not any other mirror. Concave mirror forms virtual magnified image only. Okay, I think these points are clear about you regarding the linear magnification. So how to define this, and m equal to minus v by u. We are seeing different examples for that. And one numerical also will continue today. Okay, so first numerical, you have to do in the copy numerical. So how to use signs before substituting the values in an equation for finding focal length or finding the image distance and finding the magnification, etc. So the numerical is like this. Just listen. I'm just reading. An object is placed 10 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of radius of curvature 15 centimeter. An object is placed 10 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of radius of curvature 15 centimeter. Find the position, the nature, and magnification of the image. Find the position, nature, and magnification of the image. So it is a concave mirror. Object distance is given as 10 centimeter. Radius of curvature is given as 15 centimeter. You have to find out the position of the image and the nature of the image and magnification. So V equal to question mark and magnification equal to question mark. So mirror equation is 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. You want to find out the value of v, 1 by is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Now the very important point you can see on the board, you are to substitute numerical value. Numerical value I have written as 10 centimeter and 15 centimeter. So you are to use the sign convention. Object is always on left side. So u should be equal to minus 10 centimeter. What should be r? Is it a plus or minus? Anyone?
Minus.
It should be minus because center of curvature is on left side. Focal length of concave mirror is negative, so signs are to be used here. It is minus 15 centimeter. Therefore, f equal to minus 15 divided by 2 centimeter. Minus 15. So signs are to be used there. You use the equation, but signs with numerical value you have to use. Substitute the value 1 upon v equal to 1 upon f. That is minus 15 by 2 minus 1 upon minus 10. So this is equal to 1 upon v minus this becomes plus sign. 1 upon 10 minus this 2 divided by 2 upon 15. So simplify the value of v and tell me what the value of v are getting. So equation is 1 upon b is equal to 1 upon 10 minus 2 by 15. All of this simplify the value for b. Those are completed, you can tell me the value.
minus 30.
Loudly.
Minus 30.
Minus 30. So v is equal to minus 30. What does it mean? Is it a real image or virtual image? Minus mean image is on
Real
left
image
side.
and on the left side.
It is on left
Real
side.
image.
It's a real image. Minus 30 mean it is on left side. So it's the real image. All the real images are on left side. So real image is what? The real image. The nature of the image is mentioned real and the distance is 30 centimeter to the left. And next point we are to find out about the magnification. Magnification equation is m equal to minus 2 m equal to minus 2 m equal to minus 3 is magnification. M equal to minus 3. So v you have to give with sign, u the value also you have to give with sign. So this is equal to minus 3 minus 30 divided by minus 15. Minus 2. The value u is minus 2. So these two minus cancel, you are getting minus 3. M equal to minus 3. M is negative. M is negative means it is inverted and 3 means it is enlarged image. So real inverted enlarged image is obtained. Real inverted enlarged image. Enlarged image magnified. M equal to minus 3. Minus 3 means real, all real images are inverted and it is enlarged 3 times with respect to the object. Okay. Suppose in the same case, if I am giving the position of the objects as 5 centimeter, you will get virtual image. So I am changing the position of the object for the same radius or curvature. All of you complete this just now. If the object is 5 centimeter, so next question is the same numerical. If the position of the object is 5 centimeter, find the position, nature, and magnification in the same numerical. Same numerical. So we are discussing with the real and virtual image, same numerical you get. So object distance is given as equal to minus 5 centimeter and r is given as minus 15. Therefore, f equal to minus 15 by 2 centimeter. Where will be b and what will be n? So you can recognize the numerical values with sign and what value you get from the equation. All of you calculate yourself fast. Mirror formula 1 by u plus 1 by v equal to 1 by f. 1 by v, you have to find out the position of the image. 1 by v equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Now the object position is 5 centimeter. It is very close. You can recognize where is location now. It is between pole and focus. 5 centimeter. 1 by v equal to 1
which
by
is equals to 15.
Yes, speak loudly.
V which is equals to 15 centimeter.
15 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All should complete. All should complete very fast.
Yes. The magnification is 3.
Okay. 1 by v equal to 1 by f minus 15 by 2 minus 1 upon minus 5. This is 1 upon 5 minus 4 upon 15. So v equal to, is it minus 15 or plus 15?
Plus
Plus 15. So plus 15 centimeter. What does plus 15 centimeter stands for? Plus sign. Image is on right side. Image is on right side, it's a virtual image. Image plus sign. Plus sign means it is on right side, so it's a virtual image. And we see the magnification. Magnification. M equal to minus B by 2. Minus B is here positive. Plus 15. Divided by the size of the object's due distance is that is known as minus 1. So this will be equal to minus minus and become plus, it is plus 3. The meaning of plus 3 stands for here. Plus sign means it's a virtual image. Virtual images are always erect. Virtual, erect, magnified image, enlarged image. How many times enlarged image? 3 times. So this is virtual, erect, and enlarged image. So two numericals, two different sign conventions we use for completing this. So next one, numerical from NCERT. This is regarding convex mirror and it's a very important numerical too. So which type of mirror we use in the used as a rear view mirror?
Convex.
Convex mirror. Okay. The question is like this in the NCERT. You are sitting in a car and it is in the parking position. The car is parked and you are seeing the convex mirror, rear view mirror. Somebody is behind you. An object is behind you. For example, a two-wheeler is behind you. And location is given to you. At present, he is 39 meters from you. After that, you are still sitting in the car. Your car is not moving. He is riding and coming towards you with a 5 meters per second velocity. So you see the image of the two-wheeler in your convex mirror. And you are to see the image also coming towards you in the mirror. How fast the image is coming towards you in the mirror, that you have to calculate when the object is moving with some velocity, say 5 meters per second, 10 meters per second. So this is the numerical. So I am just reading the numerical. It is an NCERT. Also go through that. Suppose while sitting in a parked vehicle, you notice an object approaching towards you in the rear view mirror of radius of curvature 2 meters. If the observer is running at a speed of 5 meters per second, how fast is the image of the object moving when the object is 39 meters from you? So I am just explaining this with the help of diagram here. And after that, you have to use the equation for calculating. So it is not mentioned convex mirror, it is mentioned as rear view mirror. So you have to recognize as it is convex. In the convex mirror. So convex mirror. Convex. Position of the object. The object is now at 39 meters from the pole. And object is here. This is 39 centimeters, 39 meters. 39 meters is quantity. And the radius of curvature of the mirror is quantity as 2 meters. R equal to 2 meters. It is positive. Convex mirror, radius of curvature is positive and focal length is also positive. So what is the focal length of convex mirror? F equal to R by 2. That is equal to plus 1 meter. What is the object distance? Initially, the object distance is 39 meters. Okay. Now, the object will be moving with a velocity 5 meters per second. So, you are in the car and you are observing its image in the mirror and you have to find out what speed the image is approaching towards you. So, we have to do this numerically in 2 parts. First one. Object is now at 39 meters. Where will be the image formed in the convex mirror? First part is that. So case 1 is Case 1, object when u is equal to 39 meter, that is minus sign you have to put. And what will be the value of v? Position of the image. 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Is equal to 1 upon 1. Open this 1 meter minus 1 upon u. U is equal to minus 39. So this is equal to 1 plus 1 by 39. That is equal to 40 divided by 39. So the image is equal to 40 by 39 meter from the pole. Are you getting this point? First part is over. Anshuman Singh,
Yes, sir.
calculation part is okay. This is be equal to the position of the image is 40 by 39 meter from the pole of the mirror when the object is 39 meter. Now from that, two-wheeler starts moving towards you with what velocity? 5 meter per second. 5 meter per second का मतलब है 1 second he is coming closer by 5 meter. After 1 second, in 1 second we are discussing. So in 1 second, so he has reached up to this point. 5 meter distance is completed in 1 second. In 1 second, he is coming closer by 5 meters. So what is the position of the? Okay.
So that 1 by v we are getting 40 by 39.
39 by 40. So this is 1 by v. So the value of v is equal to 39 by 40. Okay. 1 by v is equal to the 40 by 39 is equal to 39 by 40. Okay. So here we are coming 5 meters closer. So what is the new position of the object? New position of the object is from here to here. What distance is 39 meters? 39 minus 4. What is the distance? 39 minus 4. 39 minus 5 equal to 34 meters. So now the object is 34 meters. So consider this as object distance and find its image by using the same. So case 2. Case 2 is for new position. New position. We are getting as u equal to minus 34 meters. F value is plus 1 and v equal to the mark. So we are running short of the time. So can you find out this value?